name is Anton Rappendal. I play in Tram Within and I use Collision Drumsticks. Collision reached out to me about half a year ago. They showed me all kinds of sticks. I ordered some pairs of 5As and I really enjoyed playing them. I play with the Collision 5As because they're durable and pretty light. The durability is important to me because my playing style is kind of hard and aggressive. I'm really looking forward working with these guys, so please check us out on all platforms.